In this question, we have to show that the relation R in the set A, and set A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, given by R is equal to AB, where magnitude of A minus B is an even, is an equivalence relation. Show that all elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all elements of 2, 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. To prove this relation is an equivalence relation, we need to prove that it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So, our relation is AB it will contain ordered pair AB where magnitude of A minus B is even. First of all, we will convert it into roster form. The roster form of R is a relation on set A, it means from A to A. And A contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R will contain ordered pair AB where magnitude of A minus B is even. So, whether 1, 1 belongs to R. 1, 1, magnitude of 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 1, 1 will definitely belongs to R. So, R will contain 1, 1. Similarly, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Now, difference of 1, 2 is even? No. So, 1 will relate it to 3. And then 1 is related to 5. Because 1 minus 4 is minus 3 and its magnitude is 3, which is an odd number. So, the ordered pair will be 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. And 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 are already taken. So, for 2, 2, 1 will not be in the relation, its difference is odd. 2, 3 will not be in the relation, its difference is odd. So, next pair will be 2, 4. Then for 3, 3, 1, because its difference is even number, then 3, 3 already taken, and then 3, 5. Now, for 4, 4, 4 already taken, difference of 4, 1 is odd, so it will be 4, 2, its difference is even, then 4, 4 already taken. Now for 5, 5, 1 and 5, 3. These are the ordered pair which will contain in R. This is a roster form of relation R, and each pair contain two numbers whose difference and its magnitude is equal to even number. Now, after observing roster form of R, it is clear that for each element A which is contained in AA is contained in R. For example, A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 1, 2, 2 up to 5, 5 contained in R. So this is a reflexive relation. For every A belongs to A, if AB is contained in R, then we have BA is also contained in R. For example, 1, 3 belongs to R, then 3, 1 is also belongs to R. 1, 5 belongs to R, 5, 1 is also belongs to R. 3, 5 belongs to R, 5, 3 belongs to R. So, if AB belongs to R, it implies BA is also belonging to R. If difference of AB is even, then the difference of BA is also even. So, R is a symmetric relation. Now, if AB belonging to R and BC belonging to R, it implies that AC belonging to R. For example, 1 3 belongs to R and 3 5 belongs to R. This implies 1 5 belongs to R, and it can be easily observed from the roster form of R. 1 3 is in R, 3 5 is in R, and 1 5 is also in R. So the relation R is transitive also. Since our relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, so it is an equivalence relation. And from the roster form, it can easily observe that 1 3 5 odd numbers are related to itself. It means 1 is related to another odd number, or 1 3 or 1 5. Similarly, 3 with 1, 3 with 3 and 3 with 5. No odd number is related to even number and no even number is related to odd number. They are related to itself. Odd number is related to odd number and even number related to even number. That's why we have in roster form of R, there are either they are both odd number or they are both even number. So the second part is proved that all element of 1 3 5 related to itself and all 2 4 are related to itself, but no element of 1 3 5 related to 2 4, because if we take 3 2, its difference will be odd, but in question the difference of A minus B should be even. Hence proved.